In this exercise, we are going to modify the node editor and save 4 pieces of information as a configuration file. The font status, which is the bold, italic, or underline, and then also the selected font size. So we will work with text file. I'll call it node.ini, and this file is going to be read when the application starts, and it will set the configuration based on whatever is saved in this file. And then, before we close the application, we will save the current state of configuration into this file. So when we load the application, we will have the settings that we had last before we close the application, and when we close the application, we will save the settings that are currently in our application. So we'll be, of course, like I said, working with text files, and this is not very difficult, but it's very practical because configuration files are, of course, very common for all kinds of applications. So let's start coding.